to unlock hidden home screen settings on the Samsung A37 5G, like for example, you will be able to get the option to even increase the home screen grid, not only 4x6 or 5x6, but even 7x7. So what you have to do, just open the Galaxy Store for the first. Now go to the applications screen and you have to go for the search. Now go for the Good Lock application and open this one. When you download it, just go for the open button. Next, we have to get this additional plugin that it's called Home App. We have to get it, open, and take a look right now. When you click on this one, we can find, for example, all of those things, like we can loop home screen pages, we can set the home screen like we want, like literally we can even put some stickers or move apps thoroughly. We can hide the page indicator, we can remove this favorite tray that is here. So there's a lot of things that you can actually customize. I hope you find that video useful and thank you so much for watching.